Hi Ryan, this is just a quick video showing you how to find the assignments in Unit 1 Activity 1. So if you use the announcements, click on the Unit 1 Activity 1 link, and then what you want to do is you want to go through the entire content page first, because the content page is the lesson. So you can watch a video of me talking you through the content page, but you go through the content, you do the readings, watch the videos, take a look at the practice exercises, and then when you get to the bottom of the content, it'll say you have now completed the content page. Click on the assignment link at the top or bottom of this web page to proceed to the activities assignments. So you can click assignment here, or you can click assignment right here. And then what you'll see is the TV listings and direct and indirect information assignment. So here's the TV listings assignment. You'll look at these TV listings. You'll answer these 7 questions, and you'll submit your answers to this Dropbox. And then you'll take a look at this news article and answer these 7 questions and submit your answers to this Dropbox. If you want more explanation on how you can go about typing and submitting your answers to these questions, take a look at my video right here. I think the problem is that you were going through the assignments. You can't find assignment instructions or details through here. This is just to find the drop boxes. This will just take you to these right here. In order to actually do the assignments, you've got to go through the content of the lesson first, learn the material, and then click on assignment. If you have any other questions, please let me know.